We all find it hard to remember how novel cryptocurrencies seemed 12 months ago, but now we can try to understand how they will be in 2022. Amid Coinbase's IPO, the ups and downs of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, and even Doge, and the explosion of interest around non-fungible tokens, 2021 was the year that crypto went mainstream. So, what should we expect about the crypto market this 2022? In this video, we will be giving you some quick pointers of what we should expect to happen in the crypto world this year. If you're ready and anxious to hear about it, just make sure you stay until the end of this video. Hello Cavaliers of Crypto and welcome to AB Crypto, where we take a simple approach to break down the latest and most educative topics about the cryptocurrency market. If you're new to our channel, just hit that subscribe button below and hit the notification bell to receive any new video updates. You can also follow us on TikTok at _AB_crypto_. And if you want to read some more about today's topic, you can get the links down in the description below. So let's get started. Bitcoin has been dominating the cryptocurrency space for several years. Bitcoin has risen nearly 70% since the start of 2021, driving the entire crypto market to a combined $2 trillion in value. But heightened regulatory scrutiny and intense price fluctuations have dumped Bitcoin's prospects as of late. Some experts believe that Bitcoin is due for a sharp decline in the coming months in 2022, which means a greater opportunity for other digital currencies. For example, Ethereum, which has closely followed Bitcoin over the past years. Now, as the crypto industry has evolved, Bitcoin's share of the market has waned, with other digital currencies like Ethereum playing a much larger role. This is something that analysts expect to continue this year as investors increasingly look to smaller pockets of crypto in the hope of bigger gains. So, will their dreams come true? Well, let's wait and see. The emerging crypto developments such as decentralized finance and decentralized autonomous organizations are likely to be the highest growth areas of crypto. DeFi aims to recreate traditional financial products without middlemen, while DAOs can be thought of as a new type of community. The total money deposited into DeFi services surpassed $200 billion for the first time in 2021, and experts project demand to grow even further this year. DeFi is a part of a broader trend in tech known as Web3. Now, this Web3 movement calls for a new, decentralized iteration encompassing blockchain and cryptocurrency technologies such as NFTs, and has already found skeptics in the likes of Elon Musk and Jack Dorsey. With all the positive developments in DeFi and DAO, and also the rising trends of new crypto coins, we're seeing lots of people trying to get a grip on them. And so what do we expect of the dominating currencies like the US dollar? They would decline in value as money will be flowing like crazy in the crypto space. That's why 2022 is seen to be also a big year on the regulatory front. Larger economies like China, in this case, have banned all crypto-related activities, and the US authorities have even cracked down on certain aspects of the market. Analysts widely expect regulation to be a key issue in 2022 for the cryptocurrency sector. Experts also say another key area regulators will likely focus on this 2022 is stablecoins. And what are stablecoins? These are coins whose value is tied to the price of existing assets like the US dollar. And Tether, being one of the world's biggest stablecoin, is particularly controversial as there are concerns about whether it holds enough assets in its reserves to justify its peg on the dollar. Now, what will this new regulation mean for us as investors? The $1.2 trillion bipartisan infrastructure bill signed by the president back in November of 2021 includes crypto tax reporting provisions that could make it easier for the IRS to track crypto activity amongst Americans. Shehan Chandrasekhara, the head of the tax strategy at Cointracker.io, said that exchanges will have to issue 1099-B tax forms with cost basis information to investors, as this will significantly reduce the crypto tax filing burden. With all this information, we can speculate on what value cryptocurrency may have for investors in the coming months and years, but the reality is that it is still a new and speculative investment without much history on which to base predictions. No matter what a given expert thinks or says, no one really knows. That is why, guys, it is important to only invest in what you're prepared to lose and stick to more conventional investments for long-term wealth building. Well, this brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you guys found this video resourceful and entertaining. And if you have any more information to add to improve to the content in this video, please do so in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you loved watching this video, send us those likes. We thank you guys for watching and see you in our next video.